Hi, welcome to my open house today, Sunday from 12 to 3. I'm Carol Bertolek with LPT Realty. I'm here at 25505 Royal Turn Lane in Inglewood, which is in Beachwalk by Minnesota Key. Come on, take a look. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom with a flex room, spacious floor plan. We're in guest room 1, along with the guest bath. Guest bedroom number 2. And the laundry room over here. We call this the flex room because you can make it into a 4th bedroom. You can make it an office, a lounge, playroom. Nice open floor plan. What's nice is you've got all this space for the living room, which leads into the kitchen, which is where all the entertainment is, dining room. There's beautiful floors that are all tiled throughout the whole home, including the bedrooms. Shaker cabinets, all with brushed nickel. This is the dining area. Going into the owner's suite or primary. Just imagine waking up and looking out to the beautiful water. Dual sinks, quartz countertops, shaker cabinets, frameless shower door. Let me show you one of the nice features of this home. These doors pocket all the way out. We call this the zero corner. High impact windows on this house. Check out the pool. Not only do you have lots of covered lanai space for entertaining, but you've got the sunny area out here with the pool and the spa. There are stunning sunsets out here. So thank you for touring the house and hope to see you at my open house today between 12 and 3.